8291. Why is it generally necessary to jack an aircraft indoors for weighing? A. So the aircraft may be placed in a level position. B. So that air currents do not destabilize the scales. C. So the weighing scales may be calibrated to 0 pounds. The correct answer is B. When weighing an aircraft, it is important to ensure accurate measurements. Air currents, such as wind or drafts, can cause instability and fluctuations in the readings of the weighing scales. By jacking the aircraft indoors, it is possible to minimize the effects of air currents and create a more controlled environment for accurate weighing. 8292, which should be accomplished before jacking an aircraft. A. Install critical stress panels or plates. B. Determine that the fuel tanks are empty. C. Make sure the aircraft is leveled laterally. The correct answer is A. Before jacking an aircraft, it is important to ensure that critical stress panels or plates are installed. These panels or plates are designed to distribute the weight of the aircraft evenly and prevent any localized stress or damage during the jacking process. They help protect the structural integrity of the aircraft and prevent any potential damage or deformation.